Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
All right, everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This whole month, very simple dialogue, and that is long time no see, or I haven't seen you in a long time. All right, 好久不見。
安久冇看到。
安久冇看到. That's how you say it. And then your reply is, yeah, how are you?
錯啊，唔好冇。
錯啊，唔好冇. For students out there, maybe they just graduated, maybe they went abroad for a vacation, or they're about to go somewhere to study further. So it could be, yeah, I just graduated and I'm looking for a job. 刚毕业，準備找工作。
杜杜畢業。
杜杜 that's 剛剛的意思，對不對？杜杜 means recently. 畢業 that means just graduated.
準備尋條路。
準備尋條路. Okay, 準備 that means 準備啦，哈。That means preparing. 請就是在準備找。Okay, so 請 means find. 條路 is work. So I am preparing to find some work. 我們就舉個例子，就說很好啊，我剛從日本玩回來了，哈。
Okay.
I just came back from Japan.
懂好啊。
懂好啊 that means very good.
我嘟嘟嘟，日本了轉了。
為什麼多一個嘟了呢？
我嘟嘟嘟，我剛剛從。
We just taught you, right? 嘟嘟 means recently, but another 嘟
就是
嘟從 that means from actually.
也可以說就是我剛剛在日本玩回來了，我嘟嘟。
Okay, 我嘟嘟嘟嘟，我嘟嘟嘟。Okay.
我嘟嘟嘟，
我嘟嘟嘟。
日本了轉來。
Okay, it's Japan in this case, so 日本 is Japan.
了轉來。
了轉來 that means just came back from a vacation. I just went there to play. Okay, literally.
日本海陸腔日本。
日本 that's a different dialect for Japan. Or maybe you're a student who's preparing to go abroad to study. 有點忙要出國念書. I'm busy preparing to go abroad to study, right?
有條嘅無限。
有條嘅無限 that means I'm a little busy.
愛出國讀書。
愛出國讀書. 出國就是出國 go abroad. 讀書 that's study 也就是讀書.
有條嘅無限。
有條嘅無限.
愛出國讀書。
愛出國讀書. And now for students, you know how to answer these situations. Let's review the dialogue. 好久不見 long time no see.
安久冇看到。
安久冇看到. And yes, how are you?
錯啊，唔好冇。
錯啊，唔好冇. There you go. Another practical edition of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.